In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, if you are having a Celia keyboard, you can click on this icon at the top left corner and select Theme. Then tap on the best one and go back. As you can see after that, theme of mine has changed. If you are using Microsoft SwiftKey though, you can click on this icon at the top left corner instead. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and then select themes here. Now click on one of those under Gallery or Yours to apply it, or click on Customized and tap on Start. Then by tapping Add Image you can pick any background you want. When you're ready, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Hit Done at the top right corner. Manage key borders, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!